In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Figma. First, open your design in Figma so you are looking at the frame or page where your text lives. Make sure the text you want to highlight is visible and ready to select. Now, select the actual text layer. If your text is inside a group or frame, it can help to click directly on the text in the canvas or find the text layer by name in the Layers panel. You want the blue selection outline to be on the text itself, not just the parent frame. With the text selected, wrap it in an auto layout frame. The fastest way is to press Shift+A on your keyboard. If you prefer using menus, you can also right-click and choose the option to add auto layout. This action creates a snug frame around the text that can automatically expand and contract as your content changes. It's perfect for creating a highlight that always fits. Next, look to the right-hand panel. Make sure the auto layout frame is selected if you accidentally select the text inside. You won't see the right controls. In the design panel, find the fill section for the frame and click the plus icon to add a new fill. This adds a background color behind the text, which is the foundation of your highlight effect. Choose your desired highlight color from the color picker. You can select a preset. Enter a hex code or use the eyedropper to sample from your design for brand consistency. If you want a softer look, you can reduce the opacity slightly to mimic a real highlighter stroke while still keeping the text fully legible. Finally, adjust the padding in the auto layout settings to tighten the highlight around the text. In the right-hand panel, tweak the top, bottom, left, and right padding values until the color sits just the way you want it, close and tidy for a crisp label, or a bit looser for a breathable, editorial feel. Small changes here make a big difference. If your text spans multiple lines, the highlight will automatically grow with it, keeping everything aligned and consistent. That's it. Thanks for watching.